and I'm an educator and a proud participant member of Rehan AI Teacher Institute. Today I am recording or I am going live on Facebook and LinkedIn, and after some time I will upload my recording on YouTube and Instagram on the review video. Today I am giving review on the TED Talk, The Puzzle of Motivation by Daniel Pink in English. So I am excited to take you through a thought-provoking TED Talk, The Puzzle of Motivation by Daniel Pink. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how this talk challenges conventional views on motivation, inviting us to rethink what truly drives us, whether in work, education, or life. We will unpack its key ideas, evaluate its delivery, and reflect on how those insights can inspire us to foster more meaningful motivation. Let's dive in. So, before talking about the point of view or idea in the TED Talks, I want to introduce you with the TED speaker Daniel H. Pink. Let me share with you my screen so we will do it more better. I hope you people can see my screen. Let me make it in a presentation view. So now you can see I am talking about which TED Talk. It is the speaker of TED Talk names The Puzzle of Motivation, and the speaker name is Daniel H. Pink. Let's explore some important things about his biography. Before going to biography, I briefly include all the topics, all the parts which I will cover in this review: introduction, summary, analysis, or the key points, my personal reflection, strengths and weaknesses, and at the end conclusion and suggestion whether others should watch, read, or try it or not. So let's move toward the biography. He is the author. He is the speaker of the TED Talk, Daniel H. Pink. He is author also. I include all his social media handles in the description of this video. So, speaker's biography: Daniel H. Pink, full name and education. Daniel H. Pink, born in 23 of July 1964 in an American, he is an American author and speaker. According to Wikipedia, he earned a BA from Northwestern University and a JD from Yale Law School, where he was editor in chief of the Yale Law and Policy Review. This information is shared with Wikipedia. Early career and government works: Ping served as Special Assistant to Secretary to Labor Board (RIC) and as a Chief Speechwriter for Vice President AI Board. In 1997, he transitioned to independent writing and thought leadership, writing and media career. He has authored seven New York Times bestsellers, including Drive to Sell is Human, When, The Power of Regret, A Whole New Mind, and all the detail of his writings. His work spans books, articles in the Atlantic's Harvard Business Review, Fast Company, and Wired, as well as hosting and co-producing the National Geographic TV series Crowd Control. Thinkers 50 consistently ranks him among the top global management thinkers. The Power of Regret was named as Best Book of 2022 on NRP, Amazon, Apple Books, and so on. Personal and additional highlights: Pink lives in Washington with his family. He is active on social platforms and maintains a popular newsletter, The Pink Report, and a series called Pinkcast. The TED Talk, The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Pink was delivered at the TED Global 2009 conference in Oxford in UK. The audience who were physically present in the hall during the TED Talks were global, and the TED global audience, which are include scientists, entrepreneurs, educators, leaders, and innovators from around the world. TED events are typically invite only, bringing together about 800 to 1,000 people in a theater-style setting. Physically present in the hall was on stage when Dan Pink was on stage at Oxford Playhouse, speaking directly to this audience, with his talk also being filmed for online distribution, which later went viral and has millions of views worldwide. So I move toward the summary of this TED Talk, which I saw of Daniel Pink, the puzzle of motivation. The summary of the TED Talk, The Puzzle of Motivation, is Dan Pink challenges the traditional carrot and stick approach to motivation, where reward like money or punishment are used to drive performance. Using the famous candle problem experiment, he explains that extrinsic reward work well for simple mechanical tasks but actually hinder performance in tasks requiring creativity and problem solving. He introduced a new model of motivation based on intrinsic factor autonomy, the urge to direct our own lives. Number two, mastery, the desire to get better at something that matters. Number three, purpose, the yearning to do what we do in service of something larger than ourselves. Pink emphasizes that organizations, schools, and societies must rethink motivation system if they want innovation, productivity, and engagement in the 21st century. They must change their approach. The core message which he gave in his TED talk is traditional reward aren't enough anymore. True motivation comes from autonomy, mastery, and purpose. And I describe autonomy, the urge to direct our own lives, mastery, the desire to get better at something that matters. And number three is the purpose, the yearning to do what we do in service of something larger than ourselves. So it is the summary of the TED Talks. Let's move toward the key points. Number one, traditional rewards fail for creative tasks. Extrinsic motivation, money, bonus, prizes can narrow focus and hurt for problem solving for complex cognitive work. The candle problem experiment demonstrate how rewards can block creativity by making people focus too narrowly on finding solutions. Carrot and stick model is outdated, useful only for routine mechanical tasks but ineffective for modern knowledge-based work. Intrinsic motivation is the future. People perform better when driven by inner satisfaction rather than external rewards. Three pillars of motivation: autonomy, mastery, and purpose, which I explained before. Autonomy, freedom to choose how work; mastery, improving skills and achieving excellence; purpose, working for something meaningful and bigger than ourselves. Real world examples: companies that adopt autonomy, like 20% times at Google, and purpose driven approaches, see higher innovation and engagement. Call to action to improve performance, productivity, and creativity in the 21st century. Organizations, school, and leaders must shift from extrinsic to intrinsic motivation model. And extrinsic is the reward or bonus and the prizes, and the other model, intrinsic model, is the inner motivation which comes from inner side of human beings, not from the outer side. So my personal reflection on this TED Talk is Dan Pink's talk reminded me that the real motivation isn't about reward, but about autonomy, mastery, and purpose. As an educator, I have seen how students and even we as adults thrive when we work with freedom, growth, and meaning. Inspires me to focus more on purpose driven work in my own journey. But it reminds us motivation is more than money, it's about meaning. Old carrot and stick model doesn't fit the modern world of creativity and problem solving. People thrive when they have autonomy, mastery, and purpose. True engagement comes from within, not from external pressure. To build better school, workplace, and societies, we must focus on purpose driven and human centered motivation. Strengths. Scientific evidence uses psychological experiments like the candle problem to back his claims, making the talk credible. Number two, clear structure moves smoothly from problem, evidence, and solution, autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Number three is engaging delivery. Humorous, confident, and relatable storytelling keeps the audience interested. Relevance applies to work places education and personal growth in today's world. Memorable model, the simple three-part framework that is the autonomy, mastery, and purpose is easy to remember and apply. Inspiring and actionable, encourage leaders, teachers, and individuals to rethink how they motivate themselves and others. Weaknesses. Simplification of research. Complex psychological studies are summarized quickly, which may overlook deeper nuance. Business-centric example. Most cases studies are from corporate or Western context, making it less relatable for educators or non-business audience. Limited application scope. While autonomy, mastery, and purpose work well for creative jobs, the talk doesn't fully address how to motivate people in routine or low skill work. Fourth weakness is short duration. In 18 minutes, the talk can only highlight main ideas, not provide detailed strategies for implementation. General, Generalization assumes intrinsic motivation works for everyone equally without considering cultural or individual evidence. At the end is the conclusion. Dan Pink's talk is a powerful reminder that true motivation goes beyond money and reward. By highlighting the limits of the old carrot and stick approach, he introduces a new vision built on autonomy, mastery, and purpose. His engaging style, scientific evidence, and inspiring example make the message both memorable and practical. While the talk simplifies some complex researches and leans heavily on business examples, its core lesson is universal. If we want innovation, creativity, and fulfillment in classroom, workplaces, or our personal life, we must nurture inner drive and give people the freedom and purpose to grow. In the end, this TED Talk encouraged us to shift our focus from reward driven work to purpose driven living, a change that can truly transform individuals and societies. So, it is the end of my review. I hope you all understand the point of view and the things which I discuss. And thank you for watching my live streaming. You can also watch this video or this review on my YouTube channel, Iran TV, or my Instagram, Ida Mushtaq Education Wali. I will upload all this recording on these social media handles, and you can also watch me live on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching my video.